expand z minus 0.9 square without showing workings. Solution. Now we have z minus 0.9 square. This will give us what? We have this to be z minus 0.9 multiplied by what? Z minus 0.9 because we have square. Now, for us to expand this, what do? The first term in the first binomial expression is z. The first term in the second binomial expression is also z. So what do we have? Z times z. That will give us z squared. Then what do? We add the second term in the first binomial expression. We add it to the second term in the second binomial expression. So we have minus 0.9 plus minus 0.9. And we put the variable involved, which is what? Z. Now, also we have minus 0.9 in the second term, that is the second term for the first binomial expression. We are going to multiply it with the second term in the second binomial expression. And we have that to get our constant term. That will be minus 0.9 times minus 0.9. Now, what are we going to have? We have this to be z squared plus, now we have minus 0.9 plus minus 0.9. Now, is 0.9 plus 0.9. Let me show you the working. Is 0.9 plus 0.9. Adding from the back, what do we have? 9 plus 9, that is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now, our decimal point. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Then plus 1, what do we have? 1. Now, we are adding negatives numbers. Minus 0.9 plus minus 0.9 will now be what? Minus 1.8. So that will be minus 1.8. And minus times plus will give us minus. So we have minus 1.8 z. Now, we have the last term. Minus 0.9 times minus 0.9. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Now let's look at the multiplication of 0.9 times 0.9. 0.9 in proper fraction is same thing as what? 9 over 10. And is 0.9 also the second one? That is times 9 over 10. What will that give us? That will give us 9 times 9. What will you have? That is 81. Numerator multiply numerator. 10 times 10. What would that give us? 100. Converting this back to decimal. What will you have? And when you are converting, what do? We do what we call mapping from the front, because this is a proper fraction. We map 1 to 8, then we map 0 to 1. How many 0 do we have at the denominator that we do not map at all? That is 1. 1 0. So that 1 0 will form a 0 for the decimal point. So that's going to be what? This will give us 0 point, because we have 1 0 left at the denominator, with 8 1. So we have it to be what? 0.81. So it means that we are going to have for the last term, which is a constant time, 0 plus 0.81. And that is a solution to the problem. Thank you.